Hi guys, thank you for 100 for subscribers. I'm eating my hot Cheetos, aka cheesy spicy flavor. This is from Philippines, but there's some hot Cheetos from Philippines. But I don't wanna try it. Yeah, I'm gonna try it too. But I don't wanna try it. Let's see. I mean, did you get it? Yeah. Thank you for 100 subscribers. I don't think. I think that we're gonna celebrate later, but it depends on my dad if he's gonna like yes or no. It depends on his. I mean, it depends on him if he's gonna say yes or no. I hope it's yes. Yeah.